We've had a lot of feedback from the marketplace about the cages being damaged by operators.
The environment that steel erectors work in is very hostile.
We spent an awful lot of time, money and energy in now designing a much tougher cage, and hopefully this will alleviate this problem.
The cage is in two parts. There's a steel frame on the top and a composite floor at the bottom. In the past, if the cage gets damaged in any area beyond repair, then that is a whole cage that has to be effectively destroyed and replaced, which is significant cost. Obviously, replacing just the top part is a much reduced cost to the product.
We've done a lot of arduous testing with the Toughcage. We tested it for welding splatter, we've hit it with sledgehammers, we've dropped big weights on it. We've generally put it through its paces to make sure it meets really the most stressful requirements of a normal day in the steel erected industry.
Well, over here we've got an example of a damaged cage where a articulated lorry has reversed into the cage frame, causing a lot of damage to the cage frame, but as you'll see, the floor has stayed pretty much intact. Myself and my colleagues are going to try and remove the frame part of Toughcage and replace the new frame. Yep. So put it this side. Flip it over. That's an extreme amount of damage. That cage has been hit by a lorry, but still the floor has stayed in one piece, and we've been able to use it again. That's what it's been designed to do. That the cage frame can get damaged, but the floor will stay intact, and you can just replace the frame with a new one.
All of the testing that's been required to ensure that the Toughcage exceeds the current steel cages. I mean, there's been a lot of arduous testing, and it's taken an awful long time to find a composite that meets the requirement and exceeds it.
The rental companies all need low cost, easy maintenance machines, and the Toughcage fits that bill.
If you look at it, it looks great, doesn't it? I mean, it really does. You say, well, you've got to feel, well, it's absolutely perfect for what it's doing now. It's got so much resilience to impact. Yeah, it's enormous. Very pleased with that.